Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on part 6 of this bank. Let's get started. So in the last video, we were able to add in furniture. Now we're gonna continue working on this. And right now I want to add in another room right here. And then this room will be our electrical and mechanical room. So what we could do is we could add in a different door. So let's go insert load family, and let's go back here, and then door. We could use residential, and I believe we added one earlier that is different, but this one is for interior, so CS. And then let's just use this one to add the door right here. So that will be electrical, mechanical room. And then here we're going to close this off. I think this is very important. And also on this side. So the more it's secured, the better, because at least if they're able to access this, they need another door to get into. So a clearance door. So we need a single door that is, maybe this one was good enough. And we're going to add 900 by 2000 CDR, and then add it right here. So this is good enough for this side. And then here we need to add the same door right here, CS, add it right there. So we have enough room right here. And then here it needs to be an open. So I'm gonna click wall opening. I'm going to select twice, so I'm gonna select right here and right there. And then this will create a wall opening that is big enough, and then people will be able to enter and go as they please. They will be able to have access to the vault, to the safe, and all that. So now I want to finish by adding the model in place that I'm planning to add right here. And then that will be the teller side. What I'm going to do is go to architecture, click on model, model in place, and then here we're going to have a generic model. Press OK, and then OK. And then I want it to be extruded from the level, and we need to change this one. This one should be around or this one should be maybe, let's put this one as wood for now because we haven't figured out. And then I want it to be arc like that. And then I want it to be extruded. I think this one should be just extruded 725, 700, and then we're gonna add more out of that. So that is just regular height. I don't want it to be different too much, and people will be having a hard time seeing what is being done to there. And then now I'm just going to add this and then close this off. I just want them to see their teller properly, not be overlooking too much. And then here is just a simple desk first. So click on finish. So that's height. And then I'm gonna create another extrusion. I'm going to set this one and pick the plane, which is this one. I'm going to select this because we have wood now. Now we need stone. So a different material again. Let's move it at rubble. And then this one should be around 25. Extrude it from there. Click on finish. So we have something like that. We could push this one back so that it looks like something like this. So good enough. And then after that, we will need some barrier. So I will probably add another extrusion, and then this will be glassed. So create, I want another extrusion. This will be a different material. Let's put in glass. We have multiple glass right here, so I'm just going to let's do this one for now. Apply, okay, and then this one will be extruded all the way to the top. So they need some safety right here. So I'm going to pick this one, and then I'm going to offset this probably 200. And then after that, I think they need more on the other side. Just deleting the extra. I think this one needs more. I'm gonna offset this one from here. And then I think from both sides that's enough room. And we're just going to select right here to close it off, and then trim and extend on after that. We could extend this one later on. I didn't see that it's not at the wall, so click on finish, and then let's just quickly move this one to the wall. And we have this one. We need to go to 3D. I want to extrude it all the way to the top. This is glass cast in gray, so I want it to be like that. Consistent color. If it realistic, it will show that this is a glass. So something like that would be good enough. And then obviously we're going to add in holes there so that they could talk to whoever they want to talk, the clients, and then maybe a separation on each. But this one is good enough for now. And then here I just want to align it, align it from this face of the wall. So that's why I push it right there. So use align. And then I believe that's good enough for me. And then click on finish. And we have that finish right there. And then what I want as well is to add in the floor. So go to architecture, click on floor. I want to add the level 1 floor. So I'm going to edit this, duplicate. This will be floor number 1. Edit, change this thickness to 200, and then the material to stone. So let's look for a stone material right here. And we have this one. Click apply, okay. and then OK. And then right here, what we need to do is we could just select pick line, and we could just use this. We could do the inner line, or we could just do the outer. I believe the outer is good enough. If we need to backtrack this, we just need to edit as well. So here I'm just adding it around here, because later on videos we're going to basically add the surrounding. So here I'm just trimming this out. Make sure to trim everything, every corner. If you're done, you just click on finish. If not, if there's here, you can ask Revit to show it to you. So show, and then don't show this level, and then it will zoom in to that area. So now just click continue, TR again, and then fix this part. And then now we're good. So we have our floor now. If we go to 3D, we have that floor all throughout. Go back here, and then the next thing I want to do is to add in the stairs. So let's go and click stairs, and then we have stairs right here that is already loaded. What we could do is I want from me to go up here, and then we're gonna create a U-shaped stairs. So I'm going to set how many stairs first. So here desired number of steps is 23. So I want them to be even out. So maybe 22. Press OK. And then now let's go and add 11 each, forming a U shape. So, and then don't worry about editing it yet. Click on finish first. Look at it, and then we could edit the way it looks, how big it is. So press escape again, select the whole stairs, edit it, and then now we just need to select that and push this one all the way to the back, like that. Here we could push this one all the way to the back. We need more space there, so we could move this one. Actually, let's move this one all the way right here to the front, somewhere right here, and then push this one all the way to the back, and then here select that, push this one as well right here. So now we have something that looks like this. I want to check how big this one is and how big this one is. 23. I want to make this one similar, so 23. Let's push this one right there, and then we could just manually make this one 23 as well. Around 23 is good enough. It's not going to be exact, as you can see. So somewhere like that is good enough. So here I'm happy, it's almost looking similar, and then click on finish. If we check it in 3D, I don't like that we have railings right here on this side, so I'm just going to delete that. And as you can see, we have something that looks like this. I want to change the railing. I'm gonna do glass, something different right now. And then here, instead of this one, I want it to be precast stairs. So that one is good enough. Precast stairs, and that looks good. So we have their stairs right there, and then let's just fix this one. We need to add chairs I want to CS on this because we can actually conform the chairs to the angle right here. So I'm just gonna delete that, select this, CS or CM. I forgot, I think we have a different one right here. So we could just delete that later on, CS. And then space bar. Once you're here on this line, it will conform to the line. And then what you need to do is just click on multiply, or just click on that one. So as you can see, it goes aligned there. Let's give some room so that for privacy reason. Add it right here, right there, and then right there. And then now we could just delete this, and let me see how it looks. That looks good. I like the way it looks. I'm probably best if we add this section right here. I'm thinking of what to do next. If we should have, or we should add some boundaries on each and every one of them. So what I'm gonna do is, instead I'm going to create a wall, edit type, duplicate, and then this will be wall number 3, edit, thickness, let's put this one at 50 maybe, or that's too much, maybe 30. And let's change this to a different wall. We could do maybe this wall for now, just to change this. And then what we could do is just add a wall manually like that. I think that's good enough. Then just adding those, pressing escape once you finish the second add. And then let's just look at the result. So now I just want to double check how it looks. So now I think it looks much better. And what I'm planning to do is I want to add more on this side. So I feel like I want to extrude this side more. Edit. I just want to add this one so that it looks like something that looks like this. So each way it will have something like that. And then we're going to probably add a chair as well, because we changed it to a bar type to something that's different. So I'm just going to add same CS and then space bar to change orientation. And then we could just add that one right there. So everything looks proper. And then it looks like a counter. I'm just going to change this to like that. And then as you can see, it looks much better. That looks different and that looks nice. And then after that, what we could do is maybe we could void this extrusion. So let's go to this section and edit this. And then we're going to create a void extrusion on this one. And then we need to pick a plane and we need to select, let's see if we could select the face right here. Unfortunately, we cannot because this is actually something that we cannot do on a round part. So let's just cancel that. And what we could do is we could just extrude this one from the bottom to the top. Select that. Next, go to section, and then I'm gonna pull this one all the way there. I just want to double check if this is the one that's not correct. Actually, I want to just select this one right here, edit this wall, and then pull it up. So now at least we have some room to give some space there to talk and whatever. I'm just gonna pull it a little bit, something like that. So that's good enough. So now click on finish. If you see in section, that's perfect. That gap is good enough for me. So let's stop here for now and continue on the next video. Thank you for watching and hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.